can hear it, but it's raining. And today's homecoming. I'm just gonna go for a bit. I just want to see. Yeah, I just want to see. So let's do a quick makeup. And I bought so much stuff. I bought some new clothes. I'm gonna paint my nails too. My nails makes a mess. I'm gonna paint them myself. But I called out of work, okay? I called out of work today to go to this event. It's crazy because out here in California, it don't rain like that. It never rains in California, right? I'm joking. So I'm just gonna do a quick makeup. I just want to go and see. This will be my first homecoming at a university. So like I do want to go see, and it's supposed to be a big thing. I wonder if I don't know. We still go. Hopefully it stopped raining. Okay. I don't know how I do my makeup. And it's supposed to rain. It's supposed to rain this whole week. Like what? We're gonna make the best of it. I mean, yeah. So let's get ready, y'all. Let's get ready. Okay, it's red. On camera it's coming up as a bright, anyway, it's red. Of course I'm gonna be wearing a jacket because it is raining outside, but I want to show you. This is the purse I'm gonna be wearing. Very in the spirit, okay, of football. I'm so devastated that it's raining. I'm so devastated that it's raining, but we're gonna make the best of it. And I'm not gonna stay out for a long time. I just want to get some pictures, videos, and all that. So if you want to purchase one, me and my mom sell these purses. Now it's time to fill this bad boy up. So I'm bringing my mini tripod, of course, because my camera's on the charger. Right? I'm recording right now, so put that in here. It fits a lot of stuff in here too. Very spacious. Bling bling. I rarely carry cash. Look, throw a couple bucks in here. The lip gloss. This is Rihanna. I do love lip gloss. So I have my card holder, and also I have my, you guys can see. Can you see? I painted my nails too. I got my student ID. Okay. So what else? Throw this in here. I got extra battery pack for my camera because if I'm going to get content, okay? I'm going to make the best of it. Like I said, we're going to get content if that's the last thing I do. Oh, no, yeah, I'm bringing both of my phones. I bought a new phone. It's for business and also, yeah, for business. Here's all of it. Okay. Yeah. This thing is spacious, baby. Alright, hold on. Let me maneuver some things around. Oh, there you go. Okay. There you go. And we got, I don't know if I want to hold it like this when I walk around. Remind you, I'm gonna have a jacket on and an umbrella because I don't know if you guys can hear the rain, but yeah, let's go. Outfit of the day. I'm just praying that it stops raining by the time I get in the car. Or by the time I get to USC, I'm hoping that it stops raining. Alright, let's go. Okay, I think I'm late. Well, I am late. Okay. Let's just see. And this umbrella that I got is really good. Alright, so everyone's letting me know that I'm late. It's okay. It's okay. I woke up late and I was debating whether I should go. But let's go see. Don't be like me. If you plan on going to a tailgate, go on time. I came so late. It's like 12:25 at this point. As soon as I walked on campus, people I don't even know was telling me, you know, the football game is about to start right now. The football game started at 12:30. But I'm like, since I'm already here, I want to walk around and see what's going on. There's three organizations that I am with, and they all have their different section here on campus. I don't know where they are at, so I'm just gonna walk around. It's a whole vibe. You can tell everyone was having fun. I see people drinking beer, some people was having shots. It's a whole vibe. After walking around, I was just ready to go. I was a little irritated, more so at myself for coming so late, but also I didn't plan on coming because of the rain. But I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna have the rain stop me from having fun, you know, getting dressed. You know what I mean? Like, I wasn't gonna let the rain stop me, but yeah, this is how it looks, the tailgate. So basically, after the tailgate and party, that's what we're walking. Yeah, by the time I got there, okay. So like I was saying, by the time I had a feeling I was gonna be late. Like when I left the house, I'm like, it's kind of late. People take football seriously. So when it hit, it's kind of hot in here. When I was on the freeway, I was like, let me still go, just because I got dressed and all that, right? When I got here on campus, it was 12:20. And I was seeing people take down their tents and all that. But it seemed like a good vibe. I saw people drinking, eating, of course. Mind you, this is my first, well, it's not even, I don't consider this my first tailgate because I was so late. And the only reason I was so late is because I was contemplating whether I should go or not. As you see, it was raining, so I'm like, I don't want to be in the rain. So the event started at, well, it was 3 organizations I was supposed to go to today. The one started at 9, the other one started at 10:30, and the whole thing's over at 12:30. Because right after they go walk to the stadium, and then that's when they go to the football game. But yeah, it seemed like a whole vibe. It was nice from what I see. It seemed like everyone was having fun. I did not see my organization there. It was just too much. I'm like, you know what, it's okay. So I got the gist of it. I showed parts of the event. People, I'm surprised, well, people don't play by football. People were still there in the rain supporting. And today is the homecoming. Damn. It's so early. This rain is messing up everything. I'm saying. So I guess I could just go home, relax. I did homework. I still have 2 papers that I need to work on, and I have a presentation. I need to go over the presentation, so I have stuff to do. But if I go out tonight, most likely I probably will. The rain not scaring me. I'm swearing. I'm gonna need a hot toddy though, knowing that. And I do want to drink. I know, like I want like a little cocktail. So I'll probably just go out for, yeah, you know that's what I'm gonna do. All right, I'm sorry. So that being said, it was a short get ready with me today for tailgate that failed on a rainy homecoming. That was funny. But at least my purse is really cute. I saw people staring at my purse because it's so freaking cute. I need to wear it more. But yeah, we have every color. We have this in, of course, black. We have pink, blue, brown, and gold. And you already know I have like one of each for me. I don't even really wear sports. Anyway. Alright, let's go.